Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad. As hopefully you are will be fine. Today we are going to solve a very interesting exponential equation which is given as 8 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power m over 6 raised to power m minus 3 raised to power m is equal to 2. We have to find the value of m, and here m belongs to positive integers. So let's start the solution. To solve this, first we will rewrite this equation. This 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. So we can write 2 raised to power 3 whole raised to power m, that is 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8 minus 2 raised to power m over this 6 can be written as 2 times 3, which is equal to 6 whole raised to power m minus 3 raised to power m is equal to 2. Now according to mathematical formulas, that is a raised to power m whole raised to power n, if power of a power involved then both power can be multiplied. So a raised to power mn, from this we get this, and if we have a times b whole raised to power m, then we can write this power separately, that is a raised to power m times b raised to power m. So using these two formulas we can rewrite this equation as 2 raised to power 3m minus 2 raised to power m divided by 2 raised to power m times 3 raised to power m minus 3 raised to power m is equal to 2. Now from this we can write it as 2 raised to power m times 2 raised to power 2m minus 2 raised to power m divided by, from this we can write 3 raised to power m common. So we will get 2 raised to power m minus 1 is equal to 3, and from the numerator again we can take 2 raised to power m common, so we will get 2 raised to power m times 2 raised to power 2m minus 1 over 3 raised to power m times 2 raised to power m minus 1 is equal to 2. Now again we can write it as 2 raised to power m times, this can be written as 2 raised to power m and whole square minus 1 can be written as 1 square over 3 raised to power m times 2 raised to power m minus 1 is equal to 2. From this we can use famous mathematical identity which is given as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So using this we can write this term inside the bracket as 2 raised to power m times 2 raised to power m plus 1 times 2 raised to power m minus 1. Here a is 2 raised to power m and b is 1. According to this, over 3 raised to power m times 2 raised to power m minus 1 is equal to 2. Now this 2 raised to power m minus 1 can be cancelled out with this, and we will get 2 raised to power m times 2 raised to power m plus 1 over 3 raised to power m is equal to 2. Now we can multiply this 3 raised to power m with this 2, and we will get 2 raised to power m times 2 raised to power m plus 1 is equal to 2 times 3 raised to power m. Now we can take this 2 towards the right hand side and it will divide 2 raised to power m times 2 raised to power m plus 1 over 2 is equal to 3 raised to power m, and if we take this 2 in the numerator it will become 2 raised to power m times 2 raised to power minus 1 times 2 raised to power m plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power m, and from this we will get 2 raised to power m minus 1 times 2 raised to power m plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power m. So this is the simplified form of our given equation. Now we will use here parity rule to find the solution. From this, if m is greater or equal to 2, then if we put the value of m equal to 2 or greater than 2, then it means that this term 2 raised to power m minus 1 is even, because any power 2 any power of 2 which is positive will always give an even answer, and from this the term 2 raised to power m for all positive m is even, and when we add if 1 in the even number, it will become odd. So from this we conclude that this term is odd. And on the right hand side, this 3 raised to power m, any positive power of 3 will always gives us a solution which is odd in nature. It shows that even number and product of even number and odd number is equal to odd number, but actually the product of even number and a odd number always a even number. It is always even, so it can never be equal to odd. So from this we conclude that for all values of m which are greater and equal to 2, the solution of this given problem does not exist. That is, for this condition, no solution. We get no solution. I repeat it again, because when ever m is greater or equal to 2, any power of 2, any positive power of 2 will always yield us an even answer, and when we add a number 1 in an even, it will gives us odd. And on the right hand side, any positive power of 3 will always give us an odd answer. Now the product of even and odd will always a even number, and it can never be equal to odd number. So from this we conclude that for this condition, that is m greater and equal to 2, this problem have no solution. So as in the start we are given with the condition that m belongs to positive integer number, so we get only one integer according to our given condition, which is m is equal to 1. Now we will check the result for m is equal to 1. So if m is equal to 1, now for m is equal to 1, the given condition will be the equation which is final simplified form of equation 2 raised to power m minus 1, 2 raised to power m minus 1 times 2 raised to power m plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power m, 2 raised to power m plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power m. Now as we left with only one positive integer to check the result, which is 1, so we will put m is equal to 1 here, and we will get 2 raised to power 1 minus 0, or 1 minus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 1, and from this we conclude that 2 raised to power 0 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and 2 raised to power 0, any number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1, times 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to 3, and 3 is equal to 3. It means that m is equal to 1 is a solution of this given equation, that is m is equal to 1. This is the final answer of this given problem, which we conclude this by using parity rule. So the answer of this problem is 1, and it also satisfies the given equation. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And after watching this video, if you have any other easy solution of this question, please share with us in comment section. Thank you.